Hello there, and welcome back to my channel where we explore everything about women's health and sexual education. If this is your first time here, please subscribe because I promise to always bring you relevant contents that will help you in your womanly journey. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Brazilian waxing 101, a full step-by-step beginner's guide. I'm really excited to get into this topic because it has been requested a lot. A lot of you want to know what a Brazilian wax actually entails and all the steps involved. So today, we're gonna do just that. We gonna talk about the whole process from start to finish and answer some of the questions you may have along the way. But before we continue, I would like you guys to smash the like button. If you like what you see here, it helps out a lot and motivates me to keep creating contents like this. So, first things first, what actually is a Brazilian wax? To put it simply, a Brazilian wax is a type of waxing that removes all the hair from the front, the back and the sides of your vulva and anus. But to explain further, we're gonna break it down into the pre-waxing preparation and the actual waxing procedure. The preparation stage is very important and it includes the following. First is the cleaning. You want to make sure that the area to be waxed is thoroughly clean. This is because any dirt or bacteria on the skin can cause problems during the waxing process or even after. You should wash the area with cold water and mild soap, then pat it dry before proceeding. Next, you want to avoid shaving for at least 48 hours before getting a Brazilian wax. Shaving too close to the wax can make it difficult for the wax to grip the hair and remove it effectively. Also, avoid using any creams or lotions on or around the area you plan on waxing for 24 hours before the appointment. This can interfere with the wax's ability to adhere to the hair. Now let's move on to the actual Brazilian waxing step by step. The first thing your technician will do is apply a thin layer of wax to the area being treated. The wax will be heated to the appropriate temperature, and once it's applied, they will use a soft cloth or paper to press it down firmly. Once the wax has hardened, the technician will start removing it from the opposite direction that the hair grows. They will pull the cloth or paper off quickly and with precision to minimize pain and ensure maximum hair removal. Depending on the amount of hair and the technique used, this process may need to be repeated a few times until all the unwanted hair has been removed. After the waxing is complete, your technician will apply a soothing lotion or powder to reduce irritation and inflammation. There are also a few things that you should not do before getting a Brazilian wax. These include avoiding sun exposure and tanning. Don't pluck or tweeze your eyebrows. Avoid using any exfoliating products or wearing any makeup on or around the eyebrow area. Don't use any retinols or glycolic acid products near the area to be waxed. All these should be avoided at least 24 hours before your waxing appointment. Now let's move on to the Brazilian waxing do's and don'ts. Do's: exfoliate the area to be waxed a few days prior to your appointment to remove dead skin and make the process easier. Do drink plenty of water before and after your wax to keep your skin hydrated. Do wear loose clothing after your wax to avoid any skin tears or irritation. Don'ts: don't wear tight clothing after your wax. Don't use hot water on the waxed area for at least 24 hours. Avoid using any scented or irritating products on the waxed area. Don't pluck or tweeze any stray hairs between waxes. Moving on to our next topic, which is the beginner's guide to Brazilian waxing. For those who are totally new to Brazilian waxing, this is for you. First things first, you gotta find a good salon or spa that has experienced technicians. Look for a place that uses high-quality wax and follows strict hygiene protocols. Before booking an appointment, it's also a good idea to read online reviews and ask for recommendations from friends who have had Brazilian waxes before. When preparing for your first Brazilian wax, be sure to follow all the pre-waxing guidelines that I mentioned earlier. Arrive at your appointment with clean and dry skin to ensure the best possible outcome. During the wax, communicate with your technician if you feel any discomfort or have any concerns. A good technician will take the necessary steps to make the process as painless as possible and address any issues you may have. After the wax, follow the post-waxing guidelines provided by your technician to ensure proper healing and minimize irritation. With the right preparation and mindset, you can have a positive experience on your first Brazilian wax. Remember to be patient with yourself and allow time for your body to adjust to this new hair removal method. Next up, we have the waxing for beginners. This section will cover everything from hard wax versus soft wax, hot wax, vs. warm wax, the benefits of each, how long the results last and how to maintain your smooth skin in between waxes. Hard wax vs. soft wax. Hard wax is a type of wax that is applied directly to the skin without the use of fabric or paper strips for removal. Once the wax has hardened, it is peeled off the skin. This type of wax is often preferred for sensitive areas, such as the face and bikini area, as it causes less skin irritation and damage. Soft wax, on the other hand, is applied to the skin using a soft cloth or paper strip. The cloth or paper is then removed to take the hair with it. This type of wax is commonly used on larger areas, such as the legs and arms. Hot wax vs. warm wax. Hot wax is typically used for soft wax, which is applied using a soft cloth or paper strip. The wax is heated to a higher temperature than warm wax. Warm wax, on the other hand, is applied either with or without a cloth or paper strip and is generally heated to a lower temperature than hot wax. Both hot and warm wax can be used for hard wax. The choice between hot and warm wax is largely a matter of personal preference. However, hot wax may be more effective at removing stubborn hair that has been difficult to remove with warm wax. How long does the result last? The results of a wax generally last for 4 to 6 weeks. However, several factors can affect how long the results last, such as hair growth cycle, hormonal changes, and skincare habits. To prolong the results of your wax and maintain smooth skin in between waxes, follow these tips. Exfoliate the skin regularly to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Moisturize the area waxed to keep the skin healthy and hydrated. Avoid using harsh skincare products or waxing on irritated skin. Wear loose, comfortable clothing to avoid skin tears or irritation. Next up, we have the self-care routine Brazilian wax. Taking good care of your skin before and after a Brazilian wax is essential for preventing skin damage and achieving long-lasting smooth skin. Here are some simple self-care routine tips to follow before and after getting a Brazilian wax. Before the wax, start by cleaning the area to be waxed thoroughly to remove any dirt or bacteria. Avoid shaving or tweezing the hair immediately before the wax, as this can make it difficult for the wax to grip the hair and remove it effectively. Additionally, avoid applying any lotions or oils to the area before the wax, as this can interfere with the wax's ability to adhere to the hair. After the wax, soothe the skin by applying a calming lotion or aloe vera gel to reduce irritation and inflammation. Avoid using any harsh skincare products or scrubs on the waxed area for 24 hours after the wax. To prevent ingrown hairs, exfoliate the skin regularly by using a gentle scrub or exfoliating gloves. This will help to remove dead skin cells and prevent hair from becoming trapped under the skin. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, as this will help to keep your skin healthy and prevent dehydration, which can lead to dry and irritated skin. By following these simple self-care tips, you can help to ensure that your skin is well taken care of before and after getting a Brazilian wax. Remember that taking good care of your skin not only enhances your overall appearance, but also boosts your confidence and self-esteem. Finally, we have the waxing products for beginners. Choosing the right waxing products can make a significant difference in achieving a successful hair removal process. Here is a list of some must-have products for beginners. Hard wax beans or soft wax cartridges. Hard wax is a great option for beginners, as it is easier to apply and remove than soft wax. Additionally, it causes less skin irritation and damage. You can choose from various brands offering high-quality hard wax beans or cartridges. Wax warmer. A wax warmer is an essential tool for melting wax beans or cartridges. Choose a warmer that is easy to use and clean and has adjustable temperature settings. Pre- and post-waxing oil or lotion. These oils and lotions can help to soothe and hydrate the skin before and after waxing. Look for products that contain natural ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil. Pain-relieving cream or gel. Some people may find waxing painful, so it's good to have a pain-relieving cream or gel on hand. These products can help to numb the skin and reduce discomfort during waxing. Soothing face mask. A soothing face mask can help to calm the skin after waxing. Look for masks that contain ingredients like oatmeal or honey, which are known for their soothing properties. Exfoliating scrub. Regular exfoliation is important to prevent ingrown hairs and keep the skin smooth. Choose a gentle exfoliating scrub that is suitable for sensitive skin. As we come to the end of this video, I hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember that you are amazing.